Well, welcome guys. This week on the angling adventure, we're heading out to Lake St. Clair, one of my favorite spots. Gonna go for some summertime muskie. It's my first time out muskie fishing this year, so super pumped up. Just going out to meet with my buddy Dave, and we should be out this evening. We got a couple days here. Gonna try for some muskie during the day and some walleye during the night. So it should be a good time, so stay tuned for all the action. And I hope I get across this bridge soon. It has been a day. Anyways, see you guys out there. What's up guys? Okay, so we're out here. It is extremely windy today. We waited a little bit for it to die down, but it looks gettable out here. So we're gonna hop in our boat and we're just gonna go out here and brave the elements and hope for a big old giant. Look who I found.
What's going on, guys? It's your local know-it-all in Big Mouth, Dave Gray.
I'll let you take it from here.
What's going on, guys? Graham and I are out here in the elements, 53-kilometer-an-hour gusts. We're doing our first musky fish together of the season, and the conditions are rough. We're happy that we're able to make it out here. That's about it right now. We're gonna cast big baits around, toss them in right into these little white caps, hoping for the best. One thing is true is it feels real fishy out here. Out here, we found the zone though. We've been casting this dirty, milky stuff, and we've had some fish. We caught some pike. Graham, I look over. I was casting. I hear something. I look back. Graham sets the hook into a fish, trips over his motor, so he lost that one. So a little later.
That's okay. Look at the gash on that.
Look at that big gash on that thing. Battle wounds. This is the kind of fish you get right here. Early spring. I mean, about as early as you're going to get them after the spawn. And nice thick fish. He crushed that sucker Medusa. Beauty. All right.
See.
Another nice pike. We've been getting a lot of good pike today. I don't know if we got them all on video, but
Some nice ones.
yeah. Look at that fat. There's something in there for sure. Yeah, watch your fingers. Graham got sliced up earlier. See ya. I'll take that excitement. Let's get a big muskie.
Alright guys. It is the end of the day. It's not the end of the day, but nighttime's just getting started up. I'm gonna go out here for some walleye, get a pretty good day musky fishing.
Oh, my sponsor's showing. Okay. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a little closing here. It was a great day. We got a few muskies, a handful of pike, and a catfish. Great day, great first day. I got my first fish of the season, and that's it. I think we're gonna hit the